Walker on the top, running through the guap.
Slide. In my line anytime. Do me wrong, do me right. Slide.
What it is, yo? Oh, what's up? What going on, gang? You feel me? It is your boy, man. SpeedRacerTv, man. We back with another video. Today, man, we ain't even really doing nothing fun today. We really about to go tow truck folks, man. Tell them to come get my baby over there. Cause these folks been playing, man. You know, put the fuel pump on. You know, I ain't gonna say the folks been playing, but I guess it just ain't meant for no outsiders to really put, you know, my power steering, all that. It got so much wrong with it for real. I really need to send it to a real dealership to go and just get it diagnosed and, you know what I'm saying, get it right for y'all, you know what I mean? So that's what we doing, man, today. So shoot, we calling the tow truck, man, and right now shoot, the battery dead, so I gotta pop the hood on the old Yoda, riding in the Yoda in the form, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, I gotta pop that. Well, it's already popped it. I see it though. So I gotta grab the cables, man, and pop the hood on the truck over there and stuff, man. So we can get that baby running and everything. Power, like I said, man, I don't even think I told y'all what happened. But let me go over here in the other truck with y'all real quick. Alright, so y'all see, I got my spare key. Damn, them bugs be over there flying like a mother dragonfly. Fuck that, y'all gonna. Ooh. It's hot out here too, y'all. Make sure my seat going away. But yeah, man, so this is what broke off, bro. Man, I know, right? You feel me? It broke off right the same, well, it was the day after. The day after I dropped that vlog, I finally got my truck fixed, man. So if y'all ain't watched that vlog, man, y'all new to the channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button first off, you feel me? But if y'all new to the channel, man, look, like, comment, subscribe to the channel, you feel me? Gonna be a part of the game, but look at this over here, man. They how many pieces it shattered in when it broke. Then the belt came off, so I think we just gonna go ahead and go get a new serpentine belt as well, you feel me? So them actually about $20. The prices ran up on so much stuff, man. Y'all see a truck then just cause it be raining in here and stuff, man. Like, I'm gonna get it right. Stop, man. I gotta get it right. I'm a trip. But yeah, the power steering fluid, you know what I'm saying? Like I said, my hard steer for real. I gotta get that rack of pinion put back on. And that's what we got going on today, man. Y'all finna see me send my baby out to the shop. I'm a crunch rail, man. Shoot. Got a little altercation. I twist my ankle. Yeah, it's alright though. It's feeling a little better now. But I still think I need to go get it checked out. I don't like no doctor. I don't know if y'all like doctors. Comment below if y'all like going to the hospital. Sometimes them folks just be lying to you, you know what I'm saying? They just be wanting you to take medicine for no reason. And medicine really dumb you down, you know what I'm saying? So shh, let me be quiet. I don't want to tell y'all too much. You know, I am on YouTube, you feel me? But yo, you feel me? Go on, hit that subscribe button. If you're new to the channel, man, turn that notification bell on because you know we coming with the videos, you feel me? Man, I'm just so sad right now though, man. It's been about a good old year. Nah, I ain't gonna say year, it's going on a year though. It's going on a year since I actually like really drove this truck, man. Like y'all see my tire. I haven't really cleaned it up, man. Since it moved from over there. So pop, y'all. Pop. Y'all see what I say? Oh yeah, stop it, man. It's really like that, man. It's really like that. Check it, I gotta get that hooked up to the car over there, man. So let me get this right for y'all and I'm gonna get right back with y'all. But yeah, man, hopefully that little Yoda in the form, man, got enough power for that big ass motor right though. Nah, I ain't got enough power, I'm just talking. Shawty need a tune up. I had to get her right. That motherfucker saying. Chill, man, y'all see my baby, man. So we gonna start the truck up and show y'all what it sound like. I really don't need to be starting up with that thing like that though, but I'm gonna have to see if the battery up and good, you feel me? Nah, had to let it charge them off.
2 hours later.
Alright guys, we back. So we finna try it one more time. If it don't crank, we just gonna call it a tow. Just let them come get it, man, and just do what they gotta do, you feel me? So, ain't crossed on them, man. Pray to God for them. God, please let it start up. Please let it start up. I'ma have to move cause the tow truck, that Camaro right in front of me, I don't know if he'll be able to angle it up in there. We gonna have to do something. It's already hard to steer, so it's gonna be hard to turn whichever way we go, left or right. So y'all just wish her luck, man. Please start up real, baby. Please start up for daddy. Please start up for daddy. 1, 2. Oh. second, guys. I guess we're gonna have to call the tow and they're gonna have to come get it. That is what we gonna have to do, man. Dang, we just got that battery, bro. That means something killing my battery too. Okay, that's another, all right, cool. Well, we'll get back with you guys when the tow truck get here. I said that like Cleveland, then on, guys. We'll get back when your tow truck get here. Oh, and we back, man. Just like that, man. Straight up, man. Your boy ain't too happy right now, you know what I'm saying? Because I called Dodge and whatever, you know what I'm saying? He's gonna have the nerve to tell me where they kind of wrapped up right now, and I'm gonna have to get him your number to call you back. So, you know what I'm doing? I'm taking matters into my own hands, you feel me? I'm just finna go get another battery, you know what I'm saying? Make sure my baby start up, you know what I'm saying? And I think I just might send it to another shop, man. Another shop called Henry Autos, man, down there on Skyland Make Boulevard. Feel me? So, yeah, y'all hear that? Oh, window cracked over there, boy. That's why I was a big boy, like, get the boy. You know what I'm saying, man? Everybody playing that. Who trying to bring him? Chill out. Got him! Don't do that. But yeah, man, back like that, you feel me? Like I said, bro, we're going to get a battery, man. We pulling up at Dixie Batteries, you know what I'm saying? And we're gonna make sure it start up and then go from there. Then I do got the pulley with me also, just so I can go by AutoZone and price that part just as well. You know, I ain't got but a few dollars, man. But you know what I'm saying? I gotta start somewhere, you know what I'm saying? You gotta start somewhere, man. I just can't keep letting my baby sit like that, man. It's like, it's a 5.7L Hemi, you know what I mean? Oh, snap. Look at the boy. I'm the fed too. I'm scared to go that way, shorty. Going that way, shorty. But yeah, man, yeah, guys, I don't know what they got going on. I don't know if y'all can see the helicopter up there. They got the helicopter up there. That was the feds, you feel me? That was them big boys, you know what I'm saying? That was the man in black, you know what I'm talking about? But I get the west side, this the hot side, y'all. They why I don't like coming to this side, but get what? We finna duck out to the right like that car right there just did. You feel me? You know what I'm talking about? I said they got a helicopter up there. Let's go this way, Shawty. We go this way, Shawty. We never go that way, Shawty. You never run toward the danger, Shawty. Hey, look, I'm gonna teach y'all right, Shawty. Y'all on my side, Shawty. Hey, we gang, Shawty. Hey, chill out. Never run toward the danger, Shawty. Y'all see this the ambulance thing, right? This is battery play, man. So we finna run in here and get us, exchange that battery out and get us a battery. I gotta watch traffic real quick. This is a real crazy street. Then the boys over here. So yeah, guys, let's go ahead and shoot. Look, I ain't even. You know what I'm saying? It's just crazy. The boy just got there. He even scooped up in, man. But let me run in here and get a battery real quick. You feel me? And then we'll get right back with y'all. All right, guys, and we back, man. So he gave us this little ticket. He said, since it's been sitting up in my truck, which is I should have been took it out a long time ago, you know. Slap upside the head, man. Lazy, I've been slacking. Like, I don't really know what I be doing sometimes. Like, you know, just depression and stuff, man, it get to you once you just been down bad for so long, guys. You know what I'm saying? So that's why I'm getting up today, you know what I'm saying? Put myself in a better spirit, you know what I'm saying? And vlog and everything. So, yes, sir. I gotta watch out for the guy on the golf cart. They got the golf carts over here too, man. So, yeah, so they charging my battery up until tomorrow morning. So I guess battery from Dixie's in the morning when I get off work or whatever. Yes, sir, man. We back just like that, you know what I'm saying? But hey, man, look, check this out. I gotta make that quick fast in a hurry, you know what I'm saying? Because my phone keep going out of space and stuff, you know what I'm saying? Let me get the camera on my face like that. But yeah, man, so like I said, we gotta go back in the morning, grab the battery or whatever, but I'm about to hit AutoZone and see about this pulley real quick and then see about a serpentine belt, man. So just knocking stuff out, man, like just really put my foot on this stuff, man. Like I can't wait no longer, you know what I'm saying? So that's basically what the groove is today, man. That's basically what y'all joining and, you know, tagging along with me to do, man. Help me get my truck together, man. You know what I'm saying? Please help me get my truck together, you know what I'm saying? Y'all got some suggestions, you know what I'm saying? Y'all in T-Town, you know, Birmingham area, y'all know some good mechanics, this, that, and the third, man. Hey, man, let me know, man. Let me know, man. Comment below, let me know, man. You know what I'm saying? Hey, even if you out of town, man, networking is a good thing, man. Let me know something, man. Let me know something, man. Hey, cause I'm trying to get that 5.7 up and running, baby. I actually got my GC1000 too. I really need to be trying to get up and running. I ain't really focusing on that. So really probably gonna get a whole new bike, man. I ain't really gonna put too much money in all this stuff because I ain't really got a lot of money coming in right now. But we manifesting it though. But y'all, man, we gonna get back with y'all. All right, guys, man, check it. Hey, we done got the pulley, man, from O'Reilly's. They came in clutch. You know, shout out O'Reilly's. They always come in clutch. You know, that's why I fuck with O'Reilly, man. I don't know what they be having going on and all that. But we got our power steering pulley, man. It matches up pretty good with this one. You know, yeah, man. We finna head to the O'Reilly's on 15th Street over there down the road because they didn't have the serpentine belt. So it's like these auto stores never have all the parts you need. You know what I'm saying? So it's like you gotta ride around town like just to find what you need, man. You know what I'm saying? Like if you really want to get stuff done yourself and not want nobody to do it, man, this is actually the hard part. This is the stuff that y'all don't see, man. You know, these folks who actually, you know, doing all the work and stuff to their cars and things, man. So it ain't easy, bro. It ain't easy. So I'm just tagging y'all along with me, man. I'm hungry. I'm riding past all these food places. They told me feed the family feast for $20. I said, don't mind the mirror, man. I'm getting that fixed pretty soon too. I actually gotta stop by Bama Salvage. That's the junkyard that we got here, man, and see how much it'll be for them to order it. Go ahead and order it and ship one in, man. Cause can't have my girl riding around like that. You feel me? I can't have my baby riding around like that. That's my fault. Look, she pulling all the way out on the road and shit. Like, come on, man. I don't know what tough loose to get right, bro. Right, but yeah, it's a new store they just built, man. Yes, sir. So like I said, man, we heading to O'Reilly's on 15th Street, and we finna show y'all what that belt gonna look like. I ain't gonna say show y'all what the belt gonna look like, but we gonna get back with y'all and see if they got the belt or not, man. I'm getting distracted because I love sightseeing, man. You know what I'm saying? You see the little Grom right there. Then you got the Airbnbs right here. Them bitches so nice, like, yeah, y'all see them. Like, that's crazy, bro. Tuscaloosa coming up, for real. I bet them Airbnbs make so much money. Them Dome Airbnb. Y'all gonna see a whole lot of this going on, man, because I do mess with cars and bikes and motorcycles. I ain't gonna say bikes and motorcycles, they're the same thing, but I do mess with cars. I do mess with automotive stuff a lot, man. Dealing with my stuff, I like to fix up stuff, and I like to make stuff look good, man. As you work hard, you want to live life and get what you want, man. You know what I'm saying? You know, you gotta treat yourself, bro. Treat yourself. That's the first thing. Treat yourself. You feel me? So gotta get what you want. I'll get back with us, man. We get this serpentine up. But I gotta get that for my truck, man. I gotta get my baby up and running. Like I said, man, y'all drop some comments below on what I should name my baby, man. Y'all give my baby a name. Let's give my baby a name. Let's give my baby a name. Let's give my baby a name. Yes, sir, man. Y'all get back with us when we get back to the O'Reilly on 15th Street. Hey, I remember when belts used to be $20, man. 40 for a fucking serpentine belt, man. Shit, man. Bullet was $40 too. Damn, man. Hey, the price of living going up, man. This is ridiculous, bro. Like, nah, this is ridiculous, man. $20 for a belt for my car to hold my motor. $20. All right, bet. But yeah, man. Got the belt, man. That's all that matters. Woo! Yeah, we making progress, baby. Stop playing. I said another vlog, man. Y'all running with your boy, getting parts. Temporary thrift store. Hey, I'm gonna go check that out. I need some clothes, y'all. Don't judge. Hey, cause I wear thrift store clothes like a motherfucker. But we got the parts, man. So we finna head back to the Chrysler, place them in the trucker, and then I guess, man, we just gonna wait till tomorrow morning and go see what that battery talking about. We gonna need to get a new battery or not. Hopefully we'll need to get a new battery. Hopefully it just dead or whatever. You know what I'm saying? If that was the case, I could have just took out my battery charger in my truck. You know what I'm saying? My battery charger is a little smaller than theirs, so it probably would have took more than a day. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, guys, I appreciate you guys for tuning in on this vlog with me, man. I used to always wonder what was inside those things as I was a little kid, bro. I used to want to get in there and twirl around in it until I found out what it was. You just beat that horn at somebody. I don't know what they got going on. But yeah. Cement truck, I used to wonder what they was all the time, man. But yeah, man, we on the way back to the crib. It's the high school, Central High School. I ain't never been there, man. I got folks, I got siblings and stuff who have, man. Brothers and sisters who went there. I don't know what they driving so slow for. What's y'all problem, man? Y'all ain't got no turn signal? No. Okay, God forgive me. God forgive me, please forgive me. Look at that fool running straight across the street like that. Man, what's wrong with it, man? I'm telling you, I gotta be careful out here in T-Town, man. That nigga ran straight past the stop sign, man. Y'all tune back in with us, man. When we get back to the Chrysler. Yeah. Alright, guys, so we pulling up to the crib, man. Y'all see my baby right there. She blowing kisses at me. Y'all seen that? I know y'all seen that. I'm gonna round it back for y'all just so y'all can get in. I'm gonna have that play like 2. Don't hit my baby. Don't get tripping, bro. Pay attention to what you doing, man. Cause you hit my baby. Boss, I'm hitting you. I'm hitting you, Nate. Don't play with me. You know I don't play about that truck, boy. You better watch that camera. Alright. Everybody gonna hit that damn truck, boy. Be quiet. Alright, man. Alright, look at that baby. Y'all see what they say, Chrysler. Don't ever get my baby mistaken for no Durango, man. I was on the boss side. Man, I go off top of them. Man, you get my little mistaken as a Durango. Do that look like a Durango to y'all? Do that look like a Durango to y'all? Alright then. These motherfuckers so clean though. Hey, that motherfucker so clean. That motherfucker so clean, y'all. That motherfucker clean. You ain't got the sunroof though, too. Stop playing with it. These for you, baby. These for you. This for you, baby. I got this for you. I got you a bullet too. They thought they broke something. But what they say? What's broken can be replaced. Stop playing. But not my heart though, so don't mess with me on that. Alright now, don't break my heart. Baby, I got this for you now. But yeah, man. If y'all like the video, y'all make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, man. You feel me? Because that's gonna be it for today's video. Like I said, we gotta shoot back up there tomorrow and grab the battery from Dixie Battery. I gotta take this little. Okay. Alright, make sure I still got it. Yeah, gotta take this little card back up there. I don't know if y'all can see it or not. Got my name on it, 65 segment, store name address. Oh, that's store name address, whatever. But gotta show them the little card or whatever, and take it up there to grab my battery. So those are 3 parts that's got my truck currently not running right now. But I still do have that major issue in the front end. Man. That's giving me the power steering problem. It's called a rack of pins. So you guys got some goddamn I got some motor heads on here tuning in, man. Y'all let me know if you feel me. Y'all think that rack of pin job gonna be a hassle or not, man? I've been told it's gonna be.
In my line anytime. Do me wrong, do me right. Slide through any night. Rolling when the city lights call.